Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you our hybrid inverter independently produced, designed and manufactured by our TAICO. Now let's start with this 6.6 kilowatt. This is what the outer package looks like. You can see the inverter outline. Now let's open the box. Inside the box you can see one user manual and some cables for communication and a CT cable for reverse flow protection and some multi-screws and an inverter. This is our 6.6 kilowatt hybrid inverter. Now let's have a look on its nameplate. Here you can see it's a 6.6 kilowatt hybrid inverter. You can use a 48 voltage battery together and has a IP66 protection function. And here we can see a power switch, a Wi-Fi, and the bottom panels as a cooling fan. You can see the AC output and the AC input with the CT drat in the solar connection like the amplitude checker, and it supports the parallel function. And here is the communication port. It's the battery and the negative side and the positive side here. Inside our user manual there's a Wi-Fi antenna. Here we connect in the Wi-Fi port. You can see it here. Now let's open this case and see the inside structure, how it looks like. Let's open this case. You can see the inside structure. So what's the advantage of this 6.6 kilowatt low voltage energy storage inverter? First, it supports regular 230 volt single phase loads. The second, it can take up to 12 kilowatt solar panel and super strong PV compatibility. Different models come with either 2 or 3 built-in amplitude checkers. Third, you can connect up to 9 units in parallel for the bigger power output. And fourth, it runs on standard 48 volt low voltage DC battery directly, paired with our multiple TAICO 60 kilowatt battery packs, and you can build a small commercial and industrial energy storage system capacity from 50 kilowatt hour to 100 kilowatt hour. And this solution is way more cost effective than you use the high voltage solution. And the fifth is IP66 protection class in over 5 years warranty. So if you want to know more about our TAICO inverters, you can check out our website at taicopower.com. TAICO powers your smart energy life.